Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, the clock format. We can use either the 24-hour one or 12-hour format. Just turn off this option. Right now we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So let's tap on this switcher here, so we can freely tap on set time and change the date and the time just by swiping, and the time zone, just tap on it, and here you've got the full list of available time zones from which you can choose. So find yours and then tap on it, and it will be of course immediately applied. Here you can also decide whether you want to use the home screen world clock and dual clock, so your device will display two different clocks with the time from the place you're currently in and the second from your usual residence. And so that was the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.